Hey guys, today we're taking an overview of this FCH 8022. This is the FlatTrak trailer. This is a 22 footer. Up at the front here, we're gonna have a 2 5/16 easily latchable coupler. It also has a 12,000 pound top line jack. In the toolbox here, it's gonna be your pump. It's gonna have a onboard battery charger. This is power up and gravity down. So the standout feature of all these FlatTrak trailers is the ability to lay this trailer completely flat on the ground. These hydraulic cylinders powered by that hydraulic up and gravity down pump will just lower the trailer the whole way to the ground. The primary use for these are things like scissor lifts, any type of low clearance equipment that you can't put on a trailer that would have ramps or your traditional routes. So the way this one works is that your remote is right here in the toolbox, and it's just up, down, so we go ahead and hit the button, and it's gonna raise the trailer up. Now notice those clips there will automatically fall into place as the trailer is transitioning into the upright position. So we're just gonna go ahead and run it up, let them fall into position, and then I hit down on the remote, and that allows it to sit back into a more of a locked position as well. There are two different models of the FlatTraks. This one in particular is called the Knuckled frame, or the Knuckled, this frame right here has the ability to sink down as well. Some of these are what, I guess it's a fixed frame. We are stocking the ones that are knuckled, so they have the ability to sit the whole way onto the ground. But the other one will be available to purchase. This trailer, obviously we've got plenty of tied down D-rings. We have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down the side, so plenty of spots to change, strap down. And it also has this sure grip floor, right? So it's got like a rubberized coating on the floor so that when you are transporting equipment, you don't have to worry about it, slowly slipping to the side and things of that nature with that. With this type of flooring that they have down. Of course, this trailer has all LED lights. It's rated for 14,000 pounds GVWR. You have the brakes on all four wheels, and that's going to be a 10-ply tire that they run on this one. The other unique feature that I would like to show is that it does go up past center on your fenders. So if you decide to load a car on here, you just hit the button and it has the ability to go up high enough so that most vehicles, when you swing your door open, it still will be able to go past the fenders. If you got any more questions on this trailer, feel free to check out our website. We got 2 of these right now in stock here at Breckville Trailer Sales. If you got any questions, feel free to give our associates a call. Thank you very much. We'll see you on the next video.